I'm Chris Vanboom, Technical Advisor with First Truck Center. Today I want to talk about the importance of changing your cab air filter. If you're noticing that the airflow coming out of the vents in your dash is starting to get slow, it may be time to replace your cab air filter. Freightliner recommends that the cab filter be replaced every 80 to 160,000 kilometers or at least once a year on Cascadia trucks. The cab air filter on this new Cascadia truck is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, just in behind the HVAC assembly. You can access the cab air filter by pushing the cover down and removing it, giving you access to remove the air filter. Cab air filter maintenance is important in order to keep the driver comfortable, alert, and healthy. This has been a First Truck Center Tech Tip. Thank you for watching.